How to pin a tweet to the top of your Twitter profile. So first is to launch your Twitter application. Now tap on your profile icon located on the upper left corner of your screen. To navigate to your profile page, tap Profile, which is the first option found on the menu prompt. And now navigate to the post that you want to pin on your profile. Then tap on the three dots beside your username, and this prompt will appear from below providing you with these options. Select the first option, which is Pin to Profile. Choose Pin. So now you can see that the post has the pinned labeled above. So even though you try posting a tweet, your tweet will be posted below the pinned tweet. And so that is how you pin a tweet to the top of your Twitter profile. Thank you and have a great day.